Hello and welcome to Arya Consulting. Today I'm going to show you how to perform advanced filter, one of the Excel functions that we don't always use. But before getting into advanced filter option, I want to tell you I provide Excel training from beginner to advanced, management accounting, SPSS analysis if you are struggling with your research projects, your thesis. If you are an ACCA student, then I can help you pass your exams from F1 to F9 subjects. So I provide the costs with some 80% discount at the moment. Or please contact me via my email. Let me show you, this is the data set. I'm going to quickly show you how to do the advanced filter from scratch. So this is the data set. But before getting into the advanced filter, what you really need to understand is what you're trying to extract the data from the data table. So I've got a separate blank sheet opened as test. So I'm going to extract the data, the required data that I have from the data table into the test sheet. So what you're going to do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the data it says Thursday from the data table. So all the Thursdays from column H, from day column, I'm going to extract the data into the test sheet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this day header exactly the way it is into any blank cell outside the data table. So it's going to Control V and type in Thursday. So this is the Thursday word in the data table. So I've done my preparation. So I'm going to go to test sheet and click cell A1 and go to data tab, go to advanced option, copy to another location, click on list range, go to data tab, data sheet, and select the range from A to H. Criteria range is going to put you back into the test sheet, but you need to go back to the data tab, and criteria range is going to be your day, which is Thursday. So select the whole table and copy to, this is the designated location, which is cell A1. Click OK. And that's it. And that's your extract using the advanced filter option in Excel. I hope you like the video, and please like and make some comments so that I can improve my video in the coming days. Thank you very much.